your gloves on. We're trying 2 colors from Dharma Trading. Let's go. Real quick, look. I haven't tie-dyed in about 3 weeks. Look how clean my hands are. This is so weird. Like, I don't know whose hands these are. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to do wasabi, which has a tea in it. So it's based on turquoise. So it has some considerations as far as more washout time is needed, temperatures for vat dyeing, different salt for vat dyeing. It's located at dharmatrading.com. Your considerations for any of your colors that have the T next to it, and there's a link for Dharma Trading as always in the comments below. But this is wasabi. Ooh, it's very granular. I can never hit that to show you. It's like, oh, let me tilt it away so you can see what's inside. That's really cool in there though, I promise. And Red Violet. Oh, I love this color. I love this color. It is stunning. This is such a gorgeous color. Well, I guess I'm putting it on this one because I just had a bit of a spiel here with my tub.
Editor's note. Can't see the shirt that I'm wearing. It's a secret. These are 100% cotton shirts soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, wrung out in the washing machine until damp.
And these are not new colors. These are in my regular inventory. I just wanted to show you guys some. To you watching, it may be a new color, and I just wanted to share these with you because they're really, really fun colors. So I didn't go purchase anything new today. So we've got our little handy dandy spice shaker jars. I love this so much. So we're gonna go in. I got 2 teaspoons in here, and I'm gonna shake it on here. The control with this is just, I know, and my hand's in the way. It's just so nice. And I'm really excited to see how this breaks out, because if you remember back at the blue violet, how it broke out, God, it was just gorgeous. So we went heavy on there. I like going heavy because I like to see how they break out. Wait a minute, I put a little bit more right there. Okay, I'm happy. All right, and then we're gonna do the wasabi over here. Wrong side, small side with little shaky holes. And and it's very granular. See there? See the difference how this was kind of clumpy? And then this just here. Can you see how it comes out like salt? Very granular. These are great. Look how it's breaking out already. It is out of the gate. It's like, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I can do. Love this color. This is a gorgeous color. I use it a lot in my fall designs with browns and golds, and I love it. And ooh, kids, I went heavy. I went heavy. So I got a comment from the Bookworm's Lair 6757, and they said that they have seen someone use a spray bottle to set their colors before they pour the water on it. That way, as you're pouring, it's not like bleeding out. You're setting it. You're not poofing anything. So we're going to try that today. I need to move this up a little bit. So I've got my handy dandy spray bottle. Make sure I got it on spray and not stream. And we're just going to go over it. Oh, wait. I didn't judge it. I got so excited about sharing that new comment with you. I didn't judge. Let's judge. Okay. Oh my God, I almost got ahead of myself. And we know it already works. If you forget to zhuzh, it works. It might not be exact. Look how this one here. Look, the dance party has already started. The beat hasn't dropped yet. Look at them go. All right. Now, let's set this color with a little bit of a spray. Just so when we pour the kettle on there, we don't get any running. And it doesn't. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, look at that. Look at that wasabi. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful. Oh, goodness. All right. Let's put the kettle on. Okay. Okay. We ready? Here we go. I'm going to try and pour it. And you guys can see the breakout. Are we ready? Whee! Oh, my glasses are fogging up. This is ridiculous. That's how excited we are. Oh, kids, it's hot today, too. And this color is hot. Hot, 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 hot. You got some splash over onto that wasabi, but I'm not mad about it. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see? Okay, I do like that spray bottle thing. My band is not happy. That spray bottle thing is really kind of cool. Does anybody else, when they do hot water irrigation, use a spray bottle? Just to set their... Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I use this color a lot instead of purple. When I'm doing like rainbow spirals and stuff, she goes so good in between the blue and the red. Oh, did you see that? Did you see? Did you see? Oh my goodness, hi. Hi, hi, hi. And it breaks out, and it's so, you got that teaser of that turquoise, right? Then we hit it with the water, and you see that? That like the camel come out? That light, look at that, look. Oh, hi. Those golds that come out in this color. Look. That gold. The gold. I gotta switch over here so I can reach it and maybe you can watch. Come on. Come on. Oh. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Look at that color. Oh, my rubber bands are old. I've been reusing them and they are just letting loose. This is their last hurrah. Look at those colors breaking out. Oh my God, you are gorgeous. Oh, give you just a little bit more. That's all the water we got. Okay, we're gonna let them cool off. See you in a couple hours. Here they are. Here they are. I'm now so in love with these. If you have never tried hot water irrigation, just know it is like tie-dye for short attention span theater. There's no waiting like if you're doing liquid dye or if you're waiting for the ice to melt. With hot water, I started these at 2 o'clock this afternoon and it's now 8 o'clock. And I did some things in between. And probably could have got them done a little bit faster. So I'm excited. Let's look. So this wasabi, oh, I keep thinking turquoise because it reminds me of the turquoise from the American Southwest, because it'll have the stone and then it'll have that webbing of matrix, of the brown matrix that goes through it, like a, oh, it's stunning. Let's get up close and personal. If you remember the Granny Smith, the Granny Apple that we did, it broke out in these golds as well. But it was a more vibrant green. This is beautiful subtleties of, there's that blue, that turquoise in there, and then these
Oh my god, I love this. I love this so much. And then this up here. I don't know what happened here, but I'm living for it. Like that. Oh, these light blues and then those greens. And what's up, Cooks? Hey, Cooks. Say hi. Cool. But this, it just, oh, I love this. I am in love with everything about this color breakout. This, there's no need to do anything else with this shirt. I mean, look. This color, wasabi, has everything. There's no over dye needed. There's no, what is this gorgeous little blondie right here? Just this little, like it's perfect in so many ways. We live for wasabi. We stand wasabi. Now, let's look at that red violet. That red violet is a stunner. It's a stunner. Yes, Cooks. We love it in the place of ultraviolet in our designs. It goes into blue and red beautifully. It is not that deep purple, right? It has those red tones to it, right? Look here at this breakout. It's perfect spiral right here. And so we did the blue violet, right? And it was very dramatic, if you remember. And it had those bursts of red or violet that went through the blue spiral, the way it broke out. This blends really well together. Let's look a little closer. Yes, Cooks. Tell us what you think. But so red violet, we're breaking out in some reds. Barely. Here and here and here. But then you've got these breakouts here because red and blue make purple. So we're going to then go into violet. So you're going to have that freckling of the core colors. And then a cookie hair right here. Yeah, everybody. This is free of charge. But, oh my God. It is this beautiful spiral. Here's the red flaking out, and then look, boom, right here there's this stripe of blue showing up in this gorgeous spiral of that red violet. It breaks this here. Oh my God, it's just, what a beautiful color. What depth in that color. It's just got so much depth. Oh, and I can't help myself. I love this shirt. I was out of focus. I had to start over again. But look what we did today. 2 gorgeous shirts we did in single color to see their breakout in a hot water irrigation. 2 natural fiber Procyon dyes from Dharma Trading, and we made art in just a matter of hours. How cool is that? If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put them in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel's loaded with content, and I got a lot more tie-dye ideas and things to show you coming up very soon. So remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. Try something new today. Pick a new color out of that crayon box and explore those possibilities. Who knows? You might like it. And I'll talk to you soon.